Hello students, with me Mr. Chris, and today I'm going to show you about narrative text. But before that, there is a video about a legendary story from Canada with the title Strong Wind. Before that, there are some questions that you have to answer. Make sure that you have to answer first before going to the next steps. Enjoy the watching!
There was a great warrior named Stormwind. He lived with his sister in a town by the sea. Stormwind was able to make himself invisible. His sister could see him, but no one else could. He had said he would marry the first woman who could see him. She came at the end of the day. Many women came up to his tent to watch for him. When his sister saw him coming, she would ask, "Do you see him?" Each girl would answer, "Oh yes, I see him." Then Stormwind's sister would ask, "What is he pulling his sled with?" And then the girls would answer, "With a rope, with a wooden pole." Then Stormwind's sister would know that they were lying because their guesses were wrong. A chief lived in a village. His wife had died, and he had 3 daughters. One was much younger than the other 2. She was gentle, kind, and beautiful. But her sisters were jealous of her and treated her badly. They cut off her long black hair and they made her wear rags. They also burned her face with coals so that she would be ugly. They lied to their father that she did these things to herself, but she remained calm and gentle. The 2 older sisters also went to try and see Stormwind. When he was coming, Stormwind's sister asked them, "Do you see him?" "Oh yes, I see him." Each of them answered, "What is his bow made out of?" asked Stormwind's sister. "Out of iron," answered one. "Out of wood," answered the other. "You have not seen him," said Stormwind's sister. Stormwind himself heard them and knew that they had lied. They went into the tent, but still they couldn't see him. They went home very sad. One day, the youngest daughter went to try and see Stormwind. She was wearing red, and burn covered her face. People laughed at her, but she kept going. When she got to Stormwind's tent, she waited. When Stormwind was coming, his sister asked the girl, "Do you see him?" "No, I don't see him." Stormwind's sister was surprised because the girl had told the truth. "Now, do you see him?" asked Stormwind's sister. Yes, answered the girl. Now I do see him. He is very wonderful. What is bow made of? Asked Robin's sister. The rainbow, answered the girl. And what is the bowstring made of? Asked Robin's sister. Of stars, answered the girl. The Stormwind's sister knew that the girl could really see him. He had let her see him because he had told the truth. You really have seen him, said Stormwind's sister. Then the sister was the girl, and all the birds went away. Her hair grew long and black again. The sister dressed the girl in fine clothes. Strong wind came, and the girl became his wife. The girl's two older sisters were very angry, but strong wind turned them into aspen trees. Ever since that day, the leaves of the aspen trees always tremble with the fear whenever he came near, because they know he remembers their lives and minutes.
Now we're talking about past perfect tense. There are two uses of past perfect tense. First is telling about completed action before something in the past, and the second one is duration before something in the past. Okay, have a look for the first, completed action before something in the past. I had met the beautiful girl before I came to the city. So you have to understand first that there are two actions or events happened in the past. First is meeting the girl, and the second is coming to the city. What came first? Yeah, of course, meeting the beautiful girl. Meeting beautiful girl happened before I came to the city. So that's why about the pattern of past perfect tense like this. Okay, subject plus had plus verb 2. Okay, where's the subject? Of course, I as subject here. Okay, and had and met is the verb 3. And how about the other action or event? So you have to make it into past form, because it's happened in the past. Subject plus verb 2. Okay, plus whatever. So it could be complementary or whatever. Okay, so it means that you have to place first subject and the second one is verb 2. Okay, if there is no verb, so it means that you have to make in the past form, like to be, past, or something like that. So this subject I and came as verb 2. Okay, so we move to the second use. Duration before something in the past. By the time we finish our study,
We had been in Malang for 5 years. So you can see here, there are two events. First is finishing study, and the second one is had been in Malang for 5 years. What came first? Of course, had been in Malang for 5 years. That's duration of time before something happened, finishing the study. Okay. So it's really simple to understand if you know about the division of time. So have a look in the chart. So there are three parts of time: present, past, and future. So you can see here, had been in Malang. There's a duration of time for 5 years. Okay, here before finishing the study. Yeah, but it's in the past, so that's why you have to use past form to tell about past perfect tense. Okay, there are 5 questions related to the strong wind story. So please, you have to answer first before going to the next question. Okay, happy learning!
Okay, that's all about narrative text, and I hope that you learn much from this video and a little bit about explanation of narrative text. See you next time.